Read the text, underline or highlight ways that people used plants and animals in early societies. Farming, one of the most important technologies. Thousands of years ago, people were hunters and gatherers. They lived in family groups, wandering around, eating whatever they could find. They used materials from their environment, such as sticks and stones, to make tools. This period in time is called the Stone Age because most of the tools were made from stone. Around 10,000 years ago, groups of people in different places in the world started to grow plants to eat instead of gathering them. Archaeologists found evidence that wheat was one of the first crops grown by ancient people in the Near East, the area that is now Syria. Around the same time, squash was being grown by people in the area that is now Mexico. By 8500 BCE, people were growing barley, peas, and lentils. The process of growing plants for food is called agriculture. By 7000 BCE, people in some parts of the world were caring for animals or domesticating them to use for milk and meat. Sheep and goats were the first animals domesticated, followed by cattle about 1000 years later. 4000 BC, people were using animals for work. People in the Middle East used donkeys to carry loads. People in Europe used oxen to pull wagons. People in Eurasia, the countries now Hungary, Ukraine, and Central Asia, were the first to use horses. Create a timeline. Add the events from the passage to the timeline. 8500 BC, 7000 BC, 6000 BC, 4000 BC. N groups. Create a timeline. Thank you.